Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Klaviyo for Shopify. First, navigate to your Klaviyo account settings and select Integrations. Find Shopify and click Add Integration. You'll be prompted to enter your Shopify store URL and authorize the connection. This crucial step allows Klaviyo to pull in all your valuable customer and order data, setting the foundation for powerful email marketing. It typically takes only a few minutes to complete this initial setup. Once integrated, you can start leveraging Klaviyo's powerful segmentation tools. Segment customers by their purchase frequency, total spend, or even products viewed. Then, build automated email flows. A welcome series for new subscribers can introduce your brand, while an abandoned cart flow can recover up to 15% of lost sales by reminding customers about items left behind. These automations work around the clock, nurturing leads and driving revenue. Take your marketing further with personalization. Use dynamic content blocks to show customers products they've viewed or items related to past purchases, increasing relevance. Always /B test your subject lines, call to actions, and email layouts to discover what resonates best with your audience. Beyond automated flows, you can easily create and send one-time campaigns for new product launches, seasonal sales, or special announcements to your segmented lists. To maximize your success, consistently monitor your email performance. Pay close attention to open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to understand what's working. Regularly clean your email lists by removing inactive subscribers. This improves deliverability and reduces costs. Finally, maintain consistent branding, including your logo, colors, and tone of voice, across all emails to build strong brand recognition and trust with your customers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.